How to fix cannot download files on Google Drive. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Experiencing issues with downloading files from Google Drive is a frustrating issue. So, let's get started with some of the solutions to resolve this problem. Overloaded cache and cookies can hinder the download problem in your browser. So, for Google Chrome, here is what can be done. Head over to a new tab and then tap on the three vertical dots which should be present on the top right corner. Tapping on it, head over to settings, and once you are on settings of your browser, tap on privacy and security from the left side panel. After that, tap on delete browsing data. Select all time for the time range. Check on cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once that is done, you can clear the data and you're good to go. Now, the next option would be to reset your browser settings. In order to do so, you just have to tap on the same option and restore settings to their original default. Sometimes the issue can also be fixed by enabling some third party cookies to confirm the downloads. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.